Yeah, guys, guess what? We've got a couple of cops behind me. I'm in trouble, right? That's what you would think. Well, not really. They're actually our escort to go wish Maximus, who's turning 9 years old today, happy birthday. So that's what we're kind of up to here. We've taken fire trucks, police cars, exotic cars, performance cars, just awesome stuff to go wish him a very happy birthday. Don't worry about the ding, that's going to be in a different video. I'll tell you what's going on there. But let me show you the cars that are out celebrating Maximus's birthday, because nowadays you can't hold a birthday party, which kind of sucks. But he loves cars, so we're going to go celebrate with him. So again, we're out celebrating with Maximus, of course. What's the bear's name? Bert the bear? What's his name?
Avorio Jr.
Avorio Jr. And if you don't know Avorio, you have to go check him out on Instagram. He's the most famous traveling bear there is. Pretty awesome. All right, so you can see all the cars. The fire trucks and stuff have already left. You've seen me drifting. My buddy drifting this M5 competition, which is just crazy. And of course, you saw this GT3 RS from 8th Spade Rally last year as well. So these are just some of the cars that have left. I'm saying happy birthday. Maximus, do you want to be on the channel?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What up, YouTube?
What up? Okay, all right. So guess what? You get, it's your birthday, right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite car, by the way?
Probably Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. All right, guess what? You get, do you want to sit in?
No.
Can he sit in?
Yeah, sure.
Where's his mom or
She's
dad?
over here, but I'm taking one for the team.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
I know that absolutely you could sit in that.
Yeah, just, you know, of course we're trying to social distance, but
Yep.
it's his 9th birthday.
As long as can I video?
Oh, absolutely. So here's what I want you to do.
I think we can let Mama will let him sit
All right.
in
There you go.
Big man. Hey.
Nice.
Check you out, dude. Awesome.
So you're going to be a Lamborghini owner someday, but you know what you have to do? You have to stay in school and get good grades, okay? All right? That's the way to do it. Going to do it for today's video. It was such an awesome experience coming out and supporting Maximus on his birthday with Avorio Jr. here. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn notification on, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Until next time, be well, be safe, be good to one another. Peace.